no offense, I'm not trying to pass out trying to show y'all a YouTube video. Like, it's not what I'm trying to do. I'm not about to pass out. Y'all are worth it, but I'm not gonna do it. Baby, just do it. Just do it, okay? All right, so I was getting ready to run errands and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna bring them with me today. I'm gonna bring them with me today. All right, but hold on, I need to get better at this. Welcome to the vlog. I'm gonna make the list on my phone. I'm gonna make the list on my phone. I'm gonna go to my notes and I'm gonna make the list on my phone. All right, hold on. What did I say I was gonna do? I have ADHD and I got a concussion a few months ago. I've never been the same. Okay, grocery store, all right. Car wash, okay. Homework, oh my gosh, Jessica, do your homework. Wash clothes. I don't have a lot of clothes to wash. I probably have like 1 or 2 loads maybe, and that's because I'm gonna separate like my light white type colors and then like my colorful colors. What did I say I want to do? I don't remember. We're going to the grocery store. We're going to either Kroger or H-E-B. I gotta check my coupons and see what's going on. And I think I might start couponing on YouTube. So I coupon all the time. It's just something that I like to do, something I like to do for fun. It helps me get that like high of like saving money and buying things. It's just, I love it. So I think I'm gonna start taking y'all on some of my coupon trips. Maybe I'll decorate for Halloween and I'll record that. Okay, you know what? I'm coming up with these ideas. Y'all don't want to hear it. I'm gonna write it in my notes. I'm gonna start like trying to make myself be held accountable. Anyways, let's go to the grocery store. I ended up coming to Kroger and I clipped all my coupons. So I am going to go in and purchase all these things. I should have made a list. I didn't make a list, but it's okay. I think we're gonna be fine. All right, so I also have a coupon for Cheesecake Factory bread, which tastes just like the real stuff. Oh, which one's on sale? Let's see. Okay, so I have a coupon for free chips. I don't have to buy anything. I just automatically get free bag of chips. So I'm going to get, it can be Lay's or Ruffles. I guess they're owned by the same company. I'm going to get Lay's. I'm going to get Lay's lightly salted because, you know, we're going to try to be healthy, healthier than usual. So that one is the one we're going to get. And that one's completely free. So they see what you buy and then they kind of cater to that. So. Grocery shopping and we spent $187 and it was only 10% savings. How, Sway? How? I try to get 20% savings every time. 20 or more. That's my goal. 25 is usually the standard, but you know, it's just sometimes the stuff you need, they don't have coupons for. That's just how it is. So we got the free Ruffles. We got deli meat was $1.50 off. $1.50 off of canned tuna. Oh, sorry, 50 cents off canned tuna. $1.50 off Cheesecake Factory bread. $1.50 off Gigi's yogurts. $2 off the oranges. I'm gonna review this when I get home. I know it looks a little different, and that's because I am in my bathroom, and I know I had a list of things I wanted to do today, and it was like involved grocery shopping, which I did, cleaning, which I'm doing. So last weekend, I did like kind of a deep clean of the kitchen where I like scrubbed the grout and stuff like that, and then I mopped the kitchen, cleaned the bathroom downstairs. And I noticed that they used my sink in my bathroom. So I guess whenever you have a house, there's one sink that's connected to the AC unit. That sink happens to be my sink. So in my bathroom, there's two sinks. This one, Chuck's sink, and my sink. So my sink is the one that's connected to the AC unit. And I've noticed there's like a whole bunch of stuff on the mirror. Like they kind of left it a mess, and it's like just, I don't know, I guess when they had to put like a snake down there to make sure the AC was running, I'm not sure. But like my sink is dirty, my mirror is dirty, so I gotta clean that. And then my shower is dirty because we have really hard water where we live, and it leaves the worst water spots. Let me spray this in the shower, take this to go wash, and then hopefully I'll be done soon. But yes, so I'm making progress, and I feel like these videos are helping me, because if not, I wouldn't do it. Only problem is when I'm in here cleaning, I can't talk. So it's kind of gonna be either a time lapse with music or something, because I'm gonna have to have the bathroom fans going, my door open to my room with my ceiling fan and my stand-up fan going, and then my room door open, because it's just, the smell is very strong of the white vinegar. And no offense, I'm not trying to pass out trying to show y'all a YouTube video. Like, it's not what I'm trying to do. I'm not about to pass out. Y'all are worth it, but I'm not gonna do it. Yes. Okay, so as you can see, remember I said I don't have a lot of space on my counter. This won't be there, and this won't be there. I need to put a towel right there, but this is what my counter space looks like. So the man has his side, and I have my side. And I try not to keep a lot of things on the counter just because we don't have a lot of space. So I need to see if I can find something that gives it like, you know, that shelf type thing, just because we have a lot of stuff right there. My scale that, you know, every time I get on it, I'm like, this thing is broken. It needs to be calibrated. Maybe the scale doesn't need to be calibrated. Maybe you just need to lose weight. That's what literally I tell myself. I literally tell myself that. I'm like, there's nothing wrong with the scale. Like, something's wrong with you. I was gonna see if I could try to do something to my hair since I had that epic fail. I have a InStyler. So, you know, like when you clean and you find things and then you start using them instead of cleaning. I found the InStyler. It came out a long time ago on infomercials where it's like a curling iron. How can I explain this? It's like a curling iron, but it has like a brush. So it's like, shoo, 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 shoo. Like, okay, it does not make that noise. I'm making that noise. But it's like, and it like supposed to curl your hair, because I want curls in my hair. And like, I don't know, it's like the older I'm getting, the more like flat my hair is getting. It's so weird. I can't explain it. Can I see it back there? No, I can't see it back there. And we're gonna see if I wake up tomorrow morning and go running. Like, I'm putting it out here in the video, so like if I don't get up tomorrow and work out, it's gonna be embarrassing because I didn't keep up with my promise. So I'm either gonna be like on my way to Starbucks being like, y'all, I didn't go run. I didn't get on the elliptical. Like, I literally have an elliptical in my office/workout room. Like, I can use it. Why don't I? Like, I'm complaining about, while I'm recording, I'm out of breath, and I can see this roll. 2 rolls that are giving mom bod. No, this face isn't giving mom face, so why does this body have to give mom bod? You know? Y'all are gonna help me stay accountable. Y'all are like, we did not sign up for this, Jessica. We do not care. I know. I'm so nervous. But I'm gonna do it because you know what? I'll feel better about my day. I will. So let's remember this face. And how positive I'm being right now. Can y'all see that? Okay, remember I was like, my name is Jessica and I just ran 3 miles. This is how I look. Came to Sam's. I'm in the pickup area waiting for my pickup order. As you can see, over there's a Popeyes. So I went to Popeyes. I'm not gonna lie. I went to Popeyes before my pickup. So I don't usually do grocery shop. Well, you know what? You can kiss the run I did this morning. Goodbye. I don't usually do like grocery store pickups. I don't believe in it. I believe you should go into the store and like get your stuff. But if I was to show y'all this Sam's parking lot right now, you'd be like, I understand why you did it. Plus, I'm only getting a few things. Bananas, strawberries, like my fruit. Because if you buy fruit from Sam's, it's more quantities. Like, I want to say 3 pounds of bananas is like, it's cheap. It's like $1 something. It's really cheap. Maybe it's like 4 pounds. I'm not sure. But I'll show y'all my haul. I'm not about to eat on the camera with y'all. Like, I feel like that's bad. I also have a Costco membership, but Sam's is closer to my job. So I'm just running some errands while I'm on my lunch break. Waiting for my stuff to come in. You know. I love Popeye's french fries. Anyways, I guess I'll do a haul once the stuff gets here. Alright, you can see I got toilet paper, grapes, strawberries, 2 things of cuties, and 2 bananas. And it was only like $50. Bruh, that is such a good deal. Like, such a good deal. Had to share that with y'all. Okay, so I think I'm gonna wrap up the video right now because there's nothing really else that I need to do. I'm really happy that y'all got to stick around, so I'm gonna get a quick overview. I cleaned my bathroom and my shower and all that with the hard water. That was horrible, but I was able to do that. I washed clothes. I did homework last night. I went grocery shopping. That was like $187. I was like, that would hurt. Sam's, I did curbside. So if you have like, I don't know, I guess if you have a Sam's membership, like it's free curbside. Like it costs you nothing. Oh, that's the air. Go do it. Like, go do it. So that's what I did. I got toilet paper because it's like $22 and it's like a 9-pack, but I think you get like 45 rolls. Okay, it's hot. I can't do that. You get like 45 rolls for $22. Baby, just do it. Just do it. Okay. I feel like I looked refreshed because I ran and I feel good. Like I genuinely feel amazing right now. I'm just wearing my sunglasses because it's really bright. But yeah, so I was saying I was going to wrap the video up. I'll start editing and I hope y'all like what y'all see. Let me know what you want to see. My life is very, very regular. Like I don't do anything like out of the ordinary. Just a regular girl. But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. And please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all for my next video. And thank you again for helping me stay accountable on my working out. We're gonna start looking at the videos later on, and I'm gonna be like, do I look thinner? I think I look thinner. Do I? I can't wait for those moments. I legit can't wait for those moments. And then when my arm flab's gone, boy, you can't tell me nothing then. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time.